Hello there, how are you doing? Let's get started. Electronics engineering. Question. This is for my son who likes electronics a lot. 10 plus 2 passed. What branch of electronics engineering is more suitable and job is also a priority? Go for ECE. ECE stands for Electronics and Communication Engineering. It's more general in nature and you can apply for any job. Alright. When I say general in nature, it is always recommended, mostly, that you do graduation in foundation subjects or basic subjects. And when you go for PG, choose specialization. Alright, you don't do the opposite. Um, Exceptions are allowed, of course. If you are a person who got deep interest right from your childhood and you did significant achievements, sometimes you skip this recommendation and you save time and you jump into specialization right in the graduation. But when you break the rule, make sure you are going to one of those IITs or NITs, okay? That way your job is assured. Alright? You don't do any blunder doing specialized engineering in graduation, studying in an ordinary engineering college. You will be in deep regret. Okay, like I mentioned, in most of the job descriptions they ask for general engineering. Okay, I hope this is very clear. All right, one last word here. So you do foundation engineering course subjects, and when you go for PG and if you're interested in mechatronics, go for it. So that way you can apply for any job with the background of ECE or mechanical or civil or whatever, and you can apply for mechatronics kind of jobs with PG as your uh, qualification. All right. Okay. So this is very important. All right? That's why I spent a good amount of time here explaining. Now back to our topics. So for that father and his child, I suggest ECE for electronics. Now for your information, we got specialized branch of engineering, uh, which is electronics automation engineering, for which focuses on industrial automation, and mechatronics, which is also a specialized branch of electronics, which combines electronics with mechanical, electrical, and computer. All right, and they study in detail and focused on robotics and all the way to machine learning. All right, and mechatronics and electronics automation engineering. These are once again I stress these are special branch of engineering, and you choose only when if you have deep interest and you get admission to IITs or NITs. All right, and what if you don't get admission to ECE? In that case, you still have other options for electronics engineering. You can choose electrical and electronics, which is triple E, and all the way you got I guess you got five options here. The last one is electronics engineering. So those so I suggest the person to spend a little bit of time understanding these branches, the differences, and make sure that your interest is aligned with these branches. All right, now let's move on to the next topic, which is job assurance. Well, if you are in NITs or IITs, right, like the top prestigious colleges, for any branch for that matter, you will get a job. Okay. Now, how do you get into these colleges? Obviously, you need to attend and clear these All India entrance test, not gate, GMAIN, and you need to also appear and clear state level entrance exam also. So that way you have a backup, all right? And make sure you get top ranks, and it's much below than 5,000. All right, your rank should be below 5,000. Now let's see another scenario here. Now you didn't get admission to top college and you are forced to choose an ordinary engineering college. In that case, you can continue to choose electronics, all right? But after BTech, you will not get a job immediately under your field of study, all right? So in that case, what you must do is, the solution is, while you do your BTech, at the same time prepare for GATE exam, all right? And after your BTech, you do the GATE exam and join MTech. You finish MTech, and your job is guaranteed in your field of study. So that's a solution. Okay. Now with this, we seen the question, we seen the solutions also. Now let's moving on to related videos that talks about the videos I done in the past and have some relevance to this conversation. This video, Degree in Reputable Institution, talks in length and detail about engineering entrance exams and all other types of entrance exams. All right. So watch them if you want to know more about engineering entrance exams. And the other three videos, all right, talks about engineering um, in different topics. All right, just watch it if you show some, if has some relevance of interest. This is just for your information. Moving on to the last section, which is relevant additional information. Um, Here, so this section talks about what is ECE, okay, course. Just watch it if you want to. This is just optional. So ECE course, it covers a wide range of topics in electronics. Okay, that's why I said this is a foundation course in engineering. And the curriculum, well, you got mathematics, basic science and electronics, communication systems, control systems, computer science, and electives. And choose the elective that matters to you. And during your course and academic, you also got lab sessions, projects, and internships, practicals. Now, if you see the job prospects of ECE, all right, there is wide range of opportunities. The very reason I suggested this course. And let's see the industries. So once you're an ECE graduate, you can join one of these industries: telecommunication industry, electronics industry, defense, IT, research and development. All right. I'm just pausing this video a little bit so that you can pause it and read. Okay. Now let's move on. Now when it comes to higher studies, okay, you can continue your PG in telecommunication specialization, electronics and computer science. So with that we are done here. So we've seen the question, the different options in answers, the different scenarios, and we also seen additional information in ECE course and job prospects. Disclaimer, all the best.